And welcome back. Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Paula Peterson about recharging the soil after harvest. And now Paula is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
All right, thank you, John. Yes, Paula is back. We're glad to have her. You always bring so much fun to the show.
Well, I'm glad. And you see, we're green and red.
I know.
See, we are like Christmassy.
Perfect for today. You were saying this weather's also perfect for cattle.
It makes happy cows. This is cows like that 35 to 55 range.
So
Brad
they're
is
in a
like,
good mood.
yeah, doing it great for him.
Well, tell us what the snacker
This is a fun little protein bite that's actually a way to recharge you instead of just the soil. And it can be done with lots of different things. We start with oatmeal, and you can dump it in there. And then this is adding peanut butter. Now I had the thought you could do Nutella instead if you want that chocolate punch, and it would maybe have quite the protein.
This is a creamy peanut butter.
It's natural peanut butter.
Yeah, I like to use the creamy ones.
And add mini chocolate chips.
Ooh, okay.
And I went with mini chips because I'm using a smaller scoop.
Okay.
I add coconut because I like coconut.
I do too.
And then you use a honey to bind it all together.
That looks like kind of a natural.
It's actually a friend of mine in Colorado. This is her honey.
It smells really good.
Out of Lewis, Colorado. And then a touch of cinnamon. But you could do this as like a little bar for your kids to let them, you know, set up the basics.
I feel like I need to get my hands in there, but...
Yeah, don't do that. You'll be sticky for days. But you just mix this up, and then you take the scoop. I'm just going to kind of get it.
You've got a little baby scoop.
I used a little scoop. I like the pop and go type of thing. And you just grab it, and you'll put it in, and you let it set in the refrigerator about 2-3 hours.
Right, and then this is what it looks like when it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
And if you want to make them really not healthy, you could melt chocolate and like dip them, and so they'd be chocolate covered.
And put it on the top, yeah. You know, I will buy like a mix. I think it's the Kodiak brand, the Kodiak Cakes brand.
Yeah.
I get them at Target, and it's similar to this.
Okay.
But I like it that I could just make it on my own like
Well,
this.
and the fun thing about it is if you have that, you know, you want cookie dough and just raw cookie dough, this gives you that flavor of raw cookie dough. You can just actually mix the bowl, stick it in the fridge, you can grab a spoon as you go.
And you know, anymore we want to get more protein in our diet, and this is a good way.
You could add a couple scoops of the actual protein powder.
Yeah, you could.
And really pop this up that level.
Oh, I need to do that. Okay, I got to give it a try quick. These are good.
I like
so
them.
good.
Tom's a new fan of them.
And you can make them bigger too if you want.
You could make them bigger.
All right, Paula. This recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page already. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry
Back to you,
Christmas
Jen.
to you too.